Hi, my name is Yasmin Abdulhak Barker. I'm a family law attorney here at SQ Law, and today I'm going to talk with you a little bit about what the word contempt means and what that looks like within the context of your family law case. So, in order for there to be an action for contempt, there first needs to be some kind of order. Because if you're filing a motion for contempt, you are claiming that some party, probably the other party, is in violation of a court order. And you're essentially asking the court to step in and determine, yes, this person is in violation, but also what might the consequences be of that person's violation. So something that is very typical in family law relates to child-related issues. That might be if a parent is violating a parenting time order, if a parent is violating a child support order, or things of that nature. And it would start by filing a motion with the court in which you allege what the current order states and you allege what the violation is. And then it might require a hearing. In all likelihood, it will require a hearing because sometimes a finding of contempt can result in some pretty adverse consequences against the party that's in the wrong. And so the court wants the opportunity for that party to rectify their behavior and also to hear what kind of evidence might be in support of a finding of contempt or maybe a finding against contempt. Now, what are some of those consequences that might result if you're found in contempt? That could be, first and foremost, an order that finds you in contempt, which is really not something that you want to have to do. You don't want that in the court record, that there is a history of you violating a court order. And certainly you don't want to be before the same judge again if there is a future contempt citation filed against you. You might be ordered to pay your co-parent or ex-spouse or the other party, whatever their relationship is to you. You may be ordered to pay some or even all of their attorney's fees for having to pursue the matter. Again, probably not something that you want to do. The court could also order some kind of sanctions. The court could order, in the instance of a violation of a parenting time order, I have seen, it's been my experience that there have sometimes been orders to make up parenting time. There are other kinds of consequences that could happen. Sometimes even in the most severe situations, the court might deem it appropriate to order a sanctions of jail time. Obviously, nothing that you want to have to deal with. The surest way to avoid a contempt citation against you is to consult with a family law attorney as to what your current family law order says, and that way you can ensure that you're being fully compliant with it. If you have any questions about what does a contempt citation mean or what it might look like to go through that process, or any other family law related questions, please feel free to reach out to SQ Law for more information.